Welcome to New Car Latest Update. The 2025 Mazda Motorhome is here to shake up the RV and adventure scene, combining the luxury of a premium automobile with the freedom of a motorhome. Built on Mazda's signature design language, this motorhome merges style, functionality, and innovative technology that sets it apart from traditional RVs. At first glance, its sculpted exterior, defined lines, and bold grille embody Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, blending elegance with purpose. The exterior styling emphasizes aerodynamics, ensuring both stability on the highway and fuel efficiency, a key focus for Mazda. It comes equipped with LED headlights and taillights that enhance nighttime visibility while adding a modern touch. Available in a range of colors, including Mazda's iconic Soul Red Crystal, this motorhome stands out, capturing attention wherever it goes. The heart of the 2025 Mazda Motorhome is its advanced SkyActiv engine technology. Mazda offers two engine choices, a 2.5L turbocharged gasoline engine and a 2.2L SkyActiv-D diesel option, both paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The 2.5L turbo gasoline engine provides ample horsepower and torque, making long-distance travel and steep hills a breeze, while the diesel option offers exceptional fuel economy and low-end power for those looking to minimize fuel stops on extended trips. Mazda's iActiv AWD system comes standard, ensuring that the motorhome can handle a range of road conditions, from wet highways to light off-road trails. This all-wheel drive system continuously monitors road conditions, delivering power to the wheels that need it most, increasing traction and providing stability even in unexpected weather changes. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a sophisticated interior that reflects Mazda's commitment to craftsmanship and comfort. The cockpit features high-quality materials, with leather-wrapped surfaces and carefully placed controls for a driver-centric experience. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering maximum comfort for long drives, and they're also heated and ventilated. For the co-pilot and passengers, the interior transforms into a luxurious living space. Mazda has utilized every inch efficiently, providing a spacious layout that comfortably accommodates up to 4 adults. A fully equipped kitchen area features a dual-burner stove, microwave, and refrigerator, while the countertops are made from premium materials, giving a high-end feel. In the sleeping area, the motorhome includes a full-sized bed with plush memory foam mattresses, ensuring restful sleep on the road. Storage is cleverly integrated throughout the cabin, including overhead compartments, under-seat storage, and closet space, allowing travelers to bring along essentials without clutter. The 2025 Mazda Motorhome incorporates Mazda's advanced infotainment system, complete with a 10-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration. The system offers seamless connectivity, GPS navigation, and Bluetooth, ensuring travelers stay connected and entertained on the journey. Multiple USB ports and power outlets are available for charging devices, and the onboard Wi-Fi hotspot keeps everyone connected. Mazda has also prioritized safety with its iActivSense suite of safety features. Equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning, the motorhome provides a sense of security on every trip. The 360-degree camera makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier, which is especially thanks for watching.